How to get Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to get Amazon Prime, all you have to do is open your browser. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone doesn't really matter. Once you're here on your web page, just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Now once you come to this website, you're gonna land on this page where if you're not already logged in, you can tap the profile name at the top and in order to log into your account. Otherwise, what you can do is just tap on start your free 30-day trial and you'll be able to see all of the Prime benefits over here. So now all you got to do is simply make sure to add your credit or debit card if you do have them. If you're in the US, you can also add a Venmo account, or you can also choose to use a gift card if you do have them. So select add a credit or debit card, enter your code, hit the apply button, and then you will be able to successfully get Amazon Prime. This way you'll be able to get Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.